Alright, today we're going to clean all the air ducts in this home. The first step to cleaning air ducts is get all your equipment together. We have a vacuum, and an air compressor, and a few miscellaneous tools that we're going to use. Once we've located all the supply and return vents, we have to get them removed. We're going to take a drill here and remove these vents. As I remove the screw, I actually hold onto the cover so it doesn't slide down and scratch the paint. Once that's done, we remove the vent cover. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to feed this line into the air duct. This line has a reverse blasting ball on it, and that's going to blast all the dust and debris, dander, and skilled cells that have built up over time back to our vacuum. So let's feed this in. We just want to make sure we have an idea of where it's going to go. We feed that in a little bit. The next thing that we do, we put our vent up here. Using a HEPA vacuum, we attach this, and once that's attached, we have a valve right here, and we're going to turn on the airflow, so it's going to be blasting back. As we turn that on, you can see just right away some debris come and start feeding back. And we're going to feed this line into the air duct. I can twist and turn and feed this as far in as I'd like to the trunk line. Once I hear that I've hit the trunk line, I'm going to start pulling it back nice and slow at about 1 foot per second. As you can see, some of this dust and dander is coming back here. That's everything that's built up in the air duct. Once I get to the end, I'm going to turn that off. And even in the beginning here, we can see that this is already cleaner. However, we're going to take our brush and just clean the last remainder of this vent. Next thing I do is take the vent cover and I make sure that this is nice and clean as well. Then we're going to take it, we're going to place our cover back on. We want to make sure that we're placing this in a way so that you can't see into the vent. We're going to face it downward the same way it was when we arrived. Now that we've cleaned this first air duct, we're going to go through and we're going to clean the rest of the air ducts in the entire house.